Hi guys, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pauline Study. If you're new to subscribe, my dear, please do subscribe. If you're just passing by, stay a little longer and enjoy my video. So today guys, I think you're wondering what's going on my head with this kind of, I don't know. So today I'm going to do a whole new kind of video. I'm going to be doing my hair. This is an Ankara inspired or African dress inspired hairstyle. So I'm going to be doing a very simple hairstyle for everyone. Anyone can do this hairstyle, even if your hair is not as long as mine, even if your hair is just half my hair, you can be able to do this hairstyle. So because I'm going to be adding an extension, I've shown you guys this before, the Mali extension. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Anyone can do this hairstyle as long as you have this extension. And today I'm going to be doing that. I'm also going to be showing you how I'm going to rock this hairstyle with this dress. Guys, I'm also going to be going for a party. Last time I told you guys I was going for a party, and yes. But guys, in the middle of the way, the party was cancelled for me. Like, I got to learn I was not invited. Anyway, I'm an African. I have to attend every party, even if I'm not invited. So, today I'm going to show you my Ankara inspired hairstyle. And if you feel like you're going to like this video, please do leave a thumbs up for it. Please do subscribe, share with your friends, and all that kind of stuff. Please do subscribe to my channel because I want to hit 1,000 subscribers by October. So please do show me the love. So let's dive in. But first, I feel like my lips are very dry, so I'll first apply a lip gloss. Forgive me. So we are done. So I'm going to dive in straight forward because I want this to be very easy. My hair is really manageable at this point because it's very, very soft. So, not soft, guys. There's no product that makes your hair soft. They just make it manageable. Manageable, not soft. Nothing changes your hair texture. It just makes it manageable. So, I've already put all the kinds of things I should have put. The leave-in and what, because I already put leave-in and just combed it out. I've never done my hair like this. I'm so happy it's looking like this. Most of the times it's always falling behind. So let's dive in. And because I want it to be on the side, so I'm going to draw a line. So let's get into the video. Please do like it. If you know you're going to like it, don't forget to put a thumbs up. Okay guys, I'm considering a music career, so pray for me. So I'm starting to draw a line. I don't want the line to be straight in my hair because that's so ordinary. It's like everywhere, and I often do straight lines. So I'm going to use my fingers to draw the lines because my hair is really, really packed. Like, it's so damn thick. So sometimes I really feel pain when I use a comb. So I use my hands. And slowly by slowly I've learned how to make straight ones. So I'm trying to make sure everything is like even, brushing the edges of my hair, the tips, and so that they don't really hurt when I'm trying to plait. Yeah guys, I'm sipping some water. I was really dying of thirst. So I'm starting to plait a cornrow that is not supposed to be exactly in the middle of the hair, the head, like on that side of the hair. It's supposed to be about 3/4 in I don't know how to explain. It shouldn't be so slanting and it shouldn't be so much in the middle. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm just hoping it doesn't hurt because my hair is really, really so packed. I've not really put artificial heat to it. So I'm getting closer to the camera. I hope you guys can see that I'm trying to make a cornrow. If you don't know how to make cornrows, I'm going to make a video specifically for how to make cornrows, both using a yarn and needle and using your bare hands like I'm doing right now. Often I prefer this because sometimes the needle is that I cannot see very properly, and this one I can do it without looking at myself. Even the yarn I can do that, but it's much safer to use my hands.
TR Music.
Yeah. Would you let me ride with you? I understand love niggas played with your heart in the past, but I can be a future if you
So you can see I'm done with the corner, so I have to plait it to the end. And you see I separated the back hair because I'm going to hold the puff, so I have to put it to the end, and then I'll do the same for the other side. Yeah, I need to make sure they are neat, and there we are. You can see they're neat, but they're not so flat, so I'll have to gel that. So I'm going to hold the hair, I'm going to comb out the hair at the back, and then I'll hold it with the corners that I did in a very nice tight puff. That's not so hurting, guys. When you're doing that, make sure you don't hurt yourself. So you can see, so I feel like I should just brush that small hair on the side parts because my side parts really grow like long, so I was just trying to brush. So now I'm going to add the extension, and as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that I don't need to spray it because I don't want to spray it. I don't feel like spraying it, but it's so fine, so I'm going to add it to my hair. So guys, please do follow in as I put it on my hair. I'm not going to use any kinds of pins because I don't want to hurt myself. Like, they kind of make me very uncomfortable. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing the bun, the big bun with the Mali bride. If you don't want to use a Mali bride, you can use a band holder. If your hair is long enough like mine, you can use a band holder, but then your hair should be blow dried so that it makes a very neat bald bun. So you can see I'm almost done, and yeah, please do follow in.
Let me do, just put aside all the worries and the troubles do. We can take it slow, no need to rush. You should know that I'm not happy every time you cry. Your tears flows like an arrow stabbing in my chest.
So the pins are just to make the band beautiful and lightened up because I'm not going to really put a lot of jewelry. So guys, right now I am going to gel my hair to make it like to be very flat and smooth. And because I don't have my favorite gel right now, I like to use Shine and Jam gel. It's really nice because it doesn't flake. It's just flexible for me. I just like it. So first, because I'm going to use a very wet gel, I'm going to use this Eco Gel Professional Styling Olive Oil. So I'm going to first condition my hair. You may wonder why my conditioner is in this perfume bottle, but it's because I lost my, how do they call it, spray bottle. So I'm going to be using this, and then I'll put a moisturizer, and then after that I can put the gel. So let's do this. The reason I'm using this is to make sure the gel does not flake after it's dry, because I said Shine and Jam is better because it does not flake, so you can use it without moisturizing your hair. So I did that so that the jam does not, the gel that I'm using, the Eco Gel, does not flake, and then it's much easier to apply it when your hair is a bit moisturized and wettish. So yeah, that is why. And please do make sure not to always put a lot, especially if you've not really moisturized your hair so well. Yeah, so let's go in.
Promise I'ma wipe your tears, I'ma work on that. Yeah, pray to God that we stay blessed. I know He put me in your path just to make you smile, and that I know cause you see the sparkle in your eyes. You got the beauty, even Photoshop can play with that. I love the way that you smile, you make me wanna say hi. You make me wanna comply with you, everything that you say. You're telling me to go slow, you're telling me to go fast, you're telling me to go deep. I do it all, so please. You want, I want you, so don't let go.
So I hope you like this look, the makeup, the hair, the dress, the earrings. The dress I made it myself. I just got that Ankara material my auntie bought it for me. So you can see I'm trying to get close to the mirror. So I hope you guys like this look, also with the dress and the earrings. I forgot to tell you, I got those from a Masai market in Kenya. They were really cheap. I don't remember, but they were really cheap. I don't remember the price, but they're cheap. Guys, I'm in love with this look, so I'm getting closer to the camera so that you guys can see very clearly. If you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up for it. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Till I see you next time. Love ya.
Don't let me go. You